Are you yearning to unlock the full potential of your vehicle, ready to conquer heavier loads and navigate challenging terrains with absolute confidence? Your search ends here. Welcome to the Ultimate Suspension, where we present the ultimate solution for elevating your vehicle's capabilities. The GVM upgrade. Picture this: a seamless transformation that not only ensures legal compliance, but also prioritizes your safety by enhancing your vehicle's weight capacity through meticulously engineered modifications and upgrades to the suspension and braking systems. Imagine enhancing your vehicle, whether it's a pre-registration or post-registration, to confidently tackle any challenge, all while staying within legal boundaries. It's not just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation. Think of it as giving your vehicle an ultimate makeover, ready to handle the toughest missions with finesse. We're not just talking about brute force, it's about doing it right. Our meticulous checklist includes engineering modifications that not only enhance performance but also make your journey safer. Suspension upgrades. Check. Braking system enhancements. Double check your safety and legal compliance. Triple check. And who makes all of this happen? The Ultimate Suspension team, your vehicle's trusted allies on the road to transformation. Our skilled mechanics work their magic, making sure your vehicle is not just upgraded but finely tuned for the adventures that lie ahead. So, whether you're gearing up for a road trip or a heavy-duty haul, the Ultimate Suspension has your back. Join countless others who have experienced the thrill of an upgraded vehicle, ready to conquer any road with confidence. Let's unravel the secrets of the GVM upgrade. Picture this: your vehicle legally empowered to carry heavier loads by enhancing its weight capacity. We delve beneath the surface, optimizing your vehicle's suspension and braking systems for impeccable handling, even with increased weight. Now, why choose the Ultimate Suspension? We boast a diverse range of tailored GVM upgrade options for various vehicles. We don't only provide the Ultimate Suspension kits, we represent other industry-leading suppliers like J-Max, Lovells, ARB, Tough Dog, and Dobinsons to suit all your applications. As an Australian-owned family business established in 1976, we bring over years of experience, making it a reliable and top-performing choice. Our team of qualified mechanics goes beyond providing upgrades. They meticulously analyze your needs, guiding you toward the GVM option perfectly suited to your vehicle. We have a well-qualified team of mechanics to guide you at the Ultimate Suspension. Our sales team will accept your call and invites you for an inspection and recommend you your kit. Our team, under Ken's guidance, carefully analyzes your requirements, ensuring you choose the GVM option that perfectly aligns with your vehicle. Whether you're gearing up for heavy-duty adventures or seeking enhanced hauling power, choose the Ultimate Suspension. We're not just upgrading vehicles, we're elevating your ride where expertise meets excellence. The Ultimate Suspension. Your journey to optimum potential begins here. Let's dive even deeper into the remarkable journey of your GVM upgrade. Step 1. The adventure begins with your decision. Call and book your vehicle in. For its pre-suspension inspection, guide your vehicle to our workshop, where the promise of enhanced capability awaits. Confirm your selected GVM kit and let the transformation begin. Step 2. Your vehicle takes center stage in our workshop, undergoing a comprehensive safety stop to record your vehicle's weight braking performance, as the success of your upgrade depends on correctly matching your vehicle's weight to the GVM kit available. Keep in mind, not all GVM kits are the same. In some cases, GVM upgrade decreases your towing capacity. Once the vehicle has been weighed and checked, it is transferred to the hoist to inspect the driveline and braking components. Step 3. Our team of experienced trade staffs follow a stringent work program and procedure to upgrade your vehicle. They commence the upgrade process. The workshop buzzes with precision and dedication as your vehicle undergoes an upgrade. Step 4. Your vehicle undergoes a wheel alignment, headlight adjustment, and a mandatory no-charge 1000K Tighten and check. And the climax of this journey unfolds on the test track. Your upgraded vehicle, now a testament to enhanced capabilities, is prepped and ready. Imagine it confidently tackling the road, towing heavier load with safety, comfort, performance and reliability, and an unparalleled sense of peace of mind. Why go to Ultimate Suspension? With over years of experience in designing and developing custom package of suspension, we listen to you and provide fine-tuned suspension to meet your individual requirements. In the vast realm of transportation and automotive, especially in the 4WD sector, consider the Ultimate Suspension your guiding force. We don't just upgrade. We enhance your vehicle safety and comfort, where capability seamlessly meets excellence. The Ultimate Suspension, your companion in transforming each drive into an extraordinary adventure. Built to a quality standard and exported throughout the world. The ultimate commitment from Ken and the team to safety, comfort, and performance is next to none. Quality is not expensive. It's priceless. Call our action line to book in for the ultimate upgrade.